Hey, Moonshiner, take another hit and speak up.
Getting right now.
Alright, we're rolling. Go ahead. Everybody go ahead. We'll see what everybody sounds like up in the house.
Hey, Moonshiner, take another hit. Let's see what you sound like. Speak up.
No, I'm good right now. I'm seeing, I got 2 monitors up here and I'm seeing 4. I'm seeing 4. 10-4?
10-4 on that. 10-4 on that. Yeah. I think it sounds good, man. Don't listen to that squirrel over there, man. I think it sounds pretty damn good.
Hey, Buzzard. Hey, Buzzard, what's going on, Buzzard? Hey, Buzzard, ain't nobody but 5'9". Hey, Buzzard, ain't nobody but carpet around East Carolina that just got down.
I think it's my turn, old Buckeye Slim, working this old Zenith microphone in that cardboard box. Still getting down.
Old Buzzard up around Oregon, flying over Mr. Watt's house, finna drop him a bag of nuts. And I'm back circling.
10-4 on those bag of nuts. Make sure they're walnuts and not chestnuts.
Got me laughing my ass off over here.